Hi, today I am here to give you the short review of Changan Alsvin. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Changan Alsvin was launched in December 2020 by Master Motor. The B-segment sedan was introduced in 3 variants, i.e., manual Comfort DCT and Lumiere. The Changan Alsvin has a fuel average of 12 to 13 km per liter in the city and 15 to 18 km per liter on the highway. The fuel average of Alsvin varies upon variant, transmission, fuel type and driving style. Changan Alsvin comes with 185/55 R15 OE tires. Wheel size is 15 inches. You can also install higher size tires within company's recommended size. Changan Alsvin 1.5L DCT Lumiere comes in 6 different colors, i.e. Cosmic Red, Galaxy Black, Lunar Silver, Nebula Blue, Space Gray, Stellar White. The easy-to-replace driver and passenger airbags provide safety when you need it the most. The Changan Alsvin comes with 2X airbags for the front seats. Changan Alsvin also offers Sports mode shifts gears at higher RPM for better acceleration, and Tiptronic mode allows drivers with optimized gear shifting based on their own need. Changan Alsvin offers parking sensors. On the lock and unlock, Changan Alsvin opens the lights for 15 seconds. This feature of Changan Alsvin is amazing and copied from Mercedes. The price of Changan Alsvin 1.3L MT Comfort in Pakistan is PKR 3,799,000. The price of Changan Alsvin 1.5L DCT Lumiere in Pakistan is PKR 4,549,000.